So over here you can see that I have a video right here that has subtitle in it. So the subtitle that gets loaded by default is the one that matches its name. For example, this is my video right here, and then the subtitle right here that matches the name of the video actually gets loaded up right here, just like this. So now if I were to go to subtitle, then you do see 3 subtitles right here, just like this, which has been loaded up. And if it doesn't load up by default, you can go ahead on to add subtitle track and then go ahead and select out the subtitle that you want to import out. Then you can see that if I were to go around over here onto subtitle, you can go ahead and select the track as you want right here, just like this. And if I were to press the play button, appearance section, and then go to theme section, this is how the subtitle actually pops up. You can go ahead right here and disable the subtitle as well and choose the subtitle that you want. So you may have subtitles in different languages, then you can simply go ahead and then keep that out right here. So over here you can see that I have an option, and that is how you can go ahead and then choose the subtitle track as necessary inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.